Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your tea. And today in this video we are going to learn about one platformer game in Scratch. So without wasting the time, let's start this game. So the very first thing what I will do, I will run this application. I will run this project. I will show you what you will get here. For example, when you click on this flag, first you will get this music. After that, you need to just play this. See, this is all about our platformer game. Here you will get welcome to spring. You need to just jump. So this is all about our platformer game. So quickly, I will explain you which sprite we will require here and which backdrop we will require here. Okay. So now, if you want how we can add a sprite and how we can add a backdrop, so you can check our previous videos and that you will get everything. Okay. I will just give you the video link in the description box. Even in I button also you will get that. Okay. So the very first thing I will explain you all the backdrops. So first we have this sun here and you need to take one light color. After that, this is our summer backdrop. After that, we have our spring backdrop. Over here, you will get one little bit dark color in your, we can say sky blue and yellow. Again, in the winter season also, you will get little bit light color. So this is all about our backdrop. Now, I will explain you how you can add your sprites. Okay. So we have our first sprite, which is thumbnail. We can say your game thumbnail. So here you can add a text, which is season platformer. You can add the characters, which is our obstacle. You can add the player. Everything you can add about your project. So this is our heading part. After that, we have a player. So instead of this player, if you want to add any other player, even you can do that. It is not like you have to add a same player. No, if you want, you can change this little bit. Instead of this, you can add this here. Instead of adding this white color, if you want, you can fill with any other color. Okay. So again, according to your choice, you can just change that. Now, I will explain you your back sceneries. So we have the first thing which is war summertime and this cactus which is this part and this sun and the background color you will get from your backdrop. And this part I will explain you from where you will get that. So see, I added the cactus. Instead of this, you can add any other things also. We have level 2, which is don't touch the lava. We have level 3, which is one small step for cube, one giant leap for your cube kind. Okay. We have the fourth one, fifth level. So like that, according to your choice, you can add all the levels. Okay. What difficulty you want for your project, you can add all the levels, everything here. Even I will give you this project link in the description box so you can just check that. After adding back sceneries, we have to add the levels. Okay, so as you can see, this is our first level. Here you will get the gap between these two part. After that, you will get your second level. Then we have a level like one here and one here. We have a next one. After that, if you will see, we have this green color. So again, according to your choice, you can add all the labels. Everything you can add. Okay. Now, let's see the next part, which is our end screen. Like once you will win. So this is our end line. And when your player will touch to this end line, so that we will declare you won the game. Okay. After that, we have a bouncer. So you can add one color here. And last, we have a obstacle. So in the level 1, we don't have anything. In your level 2, you have this lava. This is our third level, fourth, fifth. Again, according to your choice. See, this is our level 8, level 9, 10. Again, according to your choice, you can add all the levels. Okay, like what difficulty you want for your project. So this is all about which backdrop we will require here and which sprite we will require here. So we will require heading, player, back sceneries, level and screen. We have header and we have obstacles. Now I will explain you the very first thing, which is header. So for header, what we are going to do, like when you will click on the flag, you will get this header along with sound. So this is very simple. Like when you will click on the flag, you have to just wait for some seconds. So here we have a 3, but if you want, you can wait for 10 seconds also, or 5 seconds also, or just 3 seconds also. Then we need to set our ghost effect. So this is just if you want to add any animation, any blinks here, okay? Then we want to repeat the music 25 times. And this block, this is our event. So you will get that inside your event. After that, the wait block you will get inside the control. And if you want to set the ghost, you will get that inside your looks. After that, when flag is clicked, so we want to show this season. We want to show this heading part. And in the forever, we have to go to one particular position like this. So here, as you can see, this is your X position and this one is your, for example, by mistakenly, if I will add this here, but if you will run, you will get that here. Why? Because this is your X position and this one is your Y position. So this is all about our heading part, how you can add your header. Now let's move toward our player. So this is our player part. I will explain you this because this is also very simple. So we will start from here. Okay. So for the player, what we are going to do, if you will click on your left arrow, right arrow, your player will move. Only simple thing. So again, we have to add some event. When flag is clicked, we have to show the player. We have to go to one particular position. In the forever, we have two arrows, right arrow, left arrow. So once you will go to the sensing, you will get your right arrow, left arrow. So once you will see this mouse pointer here, wait. Yeah. So here, if you will see your key space, you will get up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. So here we will require our right arrow and left arrow. It means when I click on the right arrow, we have to move towards the right position. So what is this pointing? So if you will see this, this is your right direction. If you will add this here, it means that is your down position. So we have to move to the right side where we have to move only 10 steps. Same we have to do for left. So if you will see, this is your left direction and this you will get inside your motion. After that, if we will touch to our end part, end means this line, this white color line. So if we will touch to the end part, we have to broadcast next level. Okay, we have to broadcast next level and we have to create one variable which is level, and in this level we have to increment by 1, means if you will cross your first level, your score will increase by 1. If you will cross your second level, your score will increase by 2. And this broadcast you will get inside your event. You have to just broadcast next level. And if this will touch to any obstacles, so we have all these obstacles. So if player will touch to the obstacle, again we have to go to that initial position. So this is all about our player. After that, we have a second part. When flag is clicked, so initially we want to set the gravity as 0, which is our second variable. And when flag is clicked, we have to go to the back layer for your player. And we have to wait for 3 seconds. Why? Because in the 3 second, we want this heading part. So we have to wait for 3 seconds, then we have to come to the front layer. So initially when flag is clicked, we want this heading for 3 seconds, and then we want this player. We want heading for 3 seconds. Till that your player will be in the back layer. After 3 seconds your player will be in the front layer. In the forever, if we will touch to the levels, we have to set the gravity as the 0. And if up arrow will be clicked, like if I will press the up arrow, so our player will move from here to here, here to here, okay? And then we have to just change the gravity. And if this player will touch to the bouncer, this blue one, so again we need to set the gravity to the 15. This is for just player how you can move that. And if your level is 15, then we have to hide and we will show you won this. Okay. So this is all about player. For back scenery, this is very simple. When flag is clicked, we have to go to this particular position, which is on the x-axis we have a 19, on y we have a -6. When we will receive the next level, we need to just change the costumes because in the back scenery we have all these costumes. So once you will receive this next level, which we broadcasted here, okay? So what will happen? You have to just change the costume. Very simple part. After that, for your level, this is also simple. When flag is clicked, we have to just switch the costume. We have to come to the level 1. And again, once you will receive your next level, you have to change your costume. Then for your end screen, when flag is clicked, we have to show that end line. If your level is 16, we have to hide that. Very simple again. Now see for your bouncer. So initially your level is 0. Yeah, because we have to start the game. In the forever, if your level is 3, we have to show that bouncer. Else, if your level is 5, we have to hide the bouncer. So here, even you can change that. Like if you are in level 4, so that you have to show. If you are in level 6, so you have to hide that. So again, according to your choice, according to your creativity, you can add. And at last, we have our obstacles. Again, once you will receive next level, you have to change your costume. And we will start from level 1 till we have to reach to our level 15. So this is all about our sprites. Now let's see about, we can say, backdrop. So this is very simple. When flag is clicked, we have to play one sound. Okay, so even you can change the sound. Now see, your backdrop we have total 3. Summer, if you will see this, we have summer, spring, winter. So if your level is 5, we have to come to the spring. If your level is 11, we have to switch to winter. If your level is 15, it means we have to switch our backdrop to U1. So it's a very simple platformer game. Try this game. I will give you this link in the description box. Please check that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.